In this video, I'll show you how to get lead fields using Zoho CRM in N8n. This is a quick and simple workflow setup that lets you pull the exact lead field information you need without wasting time going through everything manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8n tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. You can use an existing workflow or create a new one, depending on what you're working on. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel on the right side. This is where you'll find all the available integrations and actions for your automation. Now search for Zoho CRM in the Nodes panel and select it. Zoho CRM is the integration that will connect your workflow to your CRM data, so this is the node you'll use to access lead information. After adding the Zoho CRM node, look through the available options and choose Get a Lead Fields. This action is specifically used to retrieve the field structure and details for leads inside Zoho CRM. Once you've selected that option, move on to the configuration section. Here, configure what you want to get. Depending on your workflow, this may include selecting the specific lead fields you want to retrieve or setting the relevant parameters for the data you need. Take a moment to make sure everything is matched to your use case so the output is exactly what you expect. After that, save or run the node to test the result. If everything is configured correctly, N8n will pull the lead fields from Zoho CRM and show you the data in your workflow. From there, you can use those fields in the next steps of your automation, and that's it. You've now learned how to get lead fields using Zoho CRM in N8n. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick N8n walkthroughs.